equation, x plus 4 squared plus 7, y minus 7 squared is equal to 9. Ang magiging x sa aking kasama ni h. Then ang y sa aking kasama a. So now, from this equation, hanapin natin ang center. Ito ang h, ito ang k. So, from this center, kailangan natin baguhin ang sign. So, from positive 4 became negative 4. For y, from negative 7 to become positive 7. Now, paano natin mahahanap ang y? So now, we'll find the radius. We need to square both sides. Cancel the square root, cancel the square. Now, what is the square root of 9? Which is 3. So, radius is equal to 3. Let's move on to the diameter. The formula for diameter is d is equal to so, let's substitute 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. So, our diameter is equal to 6. Here's our problem number 2. The problem is transform the general form x squared plus y squared plus 16x plus 10y minus 25 equals 0 of a circle to standard form. Find the center, radius, and the diameter of this equation. So our first step is arrange our given x squared plus 16x plus y squared plus 10y. Transpose these and we will be equal from negative 25 to positive 25. Laging tandaan na kailangan natin pagsamahin yung mga may parehas na variable. X, x, y. So, our next step is we need to make our group and make it a perfect square trinomial. So, x squared plus 16x multiply this way. So, 16 over 2 is equal to 8. Then, 8 squared is equal to 64. Then, plus y squared plus 10y 10 over 2 is equal to 5. Then 5 squared is equal to 25. So, 25 25 plus 64 and plus 25. Kapag gumagawa tayo ng perfect square trinomial, we need to add this in right side. Then, our next step is hanapin na natin yung center. Plus square plus y plus 5 squared equal 25 plus 54 plus 25 is equal to 140. Then, mahanap na natin yung center, radius, and diameter. Our center is from positive 8, we will be negative 8. Then, from positive 5 to negative 5. Then, this is our center. Next, we will find the radius. Our radius is 140. I-square root lang natin ito para mahanap ang radius. Our radius is square root of 140 is 10.68. Then this is our radius. And to find the diameter, we will twice the radius. So r multiplied by 2. Then 10.68 multiplied by 2 is equal to